likes to hold when he's on his potty.
Boat has to poop. Toot toot.
Let's teach Bean our special potty song. I have to go potty, it will be great. I have to go potty, I can't wait.
I have to go potty. It will be great. I have to go potty. I can't wait.
I like how you sang that.
Pee and poop in the potty.
You got it.
Do you go to the potty?
I do. I use the toilet.
Wow.
My grown-up said, today is the day. My grown-up said, let's put the diapers away. I am ready to be warm and dry. I am ready, I just have to try. My grown-up said, this whole thing is new, but you are amazing. We believe in you. I am ready to be oh so free. I am ready, hooray for me.
Potty time, it's potty time. It's potty time, it's potty time.
I get a feeling inside of me. I get a feeling it's time to pee. I get a feeling, yes I do. I get a feeling it's time to poop.
It's potty time, it's potty time. It's potty time, it's potty time.
We're gonna say we're so proud of our bear. And then I'll step right out in my new underwear.
Potty time, it's potty time. It's potty time, it's potty time.
Potty time, it's potty time. It's potty time, it's Bean, you're starting to pee right now. Let's walk to the potty.
Oops. I peed on the floor.
You're still learning. Next time you get a pee feeling down in your tummy, let's walk to the potty first. Pee goes in the potty.
I wanted to pee on the potty.
You wanted to pee on the potty. It takes practice. Accidents happen when we learn new things. It can be hard to learn a new skill, but I know you can do it. You can do hard things. And we can figure anything out together. What are the steps of going to the potty? Step 1, pull down your pants. Hook in your thumbs and push down. Step 2, sit down on the potty. Step 3, pee or poop, or both. Step 4, get some toilet paper. Step 5, wipe. Step 6, pull up your pants. Step 7, go to the sink and turn on the water. Step 8, wash your hands with soap. Step 9, dry your hands, all clean. Yay, you did it!
Toilet paper.